So today, people, we will be making, as you could tell by the title, the world's best sandwich. We have here green leaf lettuce. We have the Oscar Mayer deli flesh, cracked black pepper, turkey breast, no preservatives, no hormones, and no nitrates. Provolone cheese, vegan mayonnaise. I like the taste of vegan mayonnaise rather than the real stuff. I have yellow mustard, red onions, tomato, sweet Hawaiian bread, salt and pepper, and then this. You know how like at Subway and at Jersey Mike's they have like the oil and vinegar and oregano mixture? This is the Beano's original submarine dressing. I like this. This is what'll make it like taste like you actually got it from the sandwich shop. Sandwich shop. Can't talk today. You can normally find this in like the deli department. It won't be on the aisle with like salad dressing and stuff, but you can find it in the deli department. I think it's like anywhere from $3 to $4 or $5. I don't know, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get to it. Make this sandwich. So first, we're gonna chop up the tomato. When you chop up the tomato, you don't want the slices to be too thick. So me personally, I like mine to be. Excuse the noise, you guys. I have a glass cutting board, so it may get a little loud. I like mine to be some kind of thick, kind of thin at the same time. So I'm just going to slice up my tomato. I'm just going to go ahead and make slices for future sandwiches. Now, I am not a professional chef or a delicatessen by any means, so my knife skills may need a little bit of work. So these are my tomato slices that I have. Get rid of that little piece. So once I have my tomato, see if I can cut this up a little bit. Pray y'all don't cut my finger. So now that I have my tomato chopped up, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my onion. Let me take the sticker off. I just like red onions because to me they just taste a little better on sandwiches, and that's what they use at like Subway and Jersey Mike's, Jimmy John's, Quiznos, wherever you live. There's different sub sandwich places everywhere, but most of the time they use red onions, and I feel like when you're making a sandwich, especially when you're using like oil and vinegar, it just tastes better in my opinion. So I'm not going to use this knife. Let's get one like this. I'm going to use a more serrated knife to make it easier to cut the onion. So I'm just going to cut a few rings, not a whole lot, because generally at most places they don't throw a whole bunch of onions on your sandwich. So I'm probably just going to cut up just a few. That's probably enough right there. I don't want a whole lot. So yeah. So I'm going to put this up before it burns my eyes, and then we're going to move forward to the lettuce to show you how I cut up the lettuce. All right, be right back. So now I have rinsed off my lettuce, as you can see. Depending on, all of this is in moderation, depends on what you personally like. So this is green leaf lettuce, so I'm probably just going to take probably two and then put the rest up because I don't want a sandwich full of lettuce. Now you can either just like rip it in half like this and just stack it however you like, or if you want to get super fancy, some people they like to chop their lettuce, but me being the individual that I am, I literally just rip mine in half. No fuss, no muss. But sometimes if I feel like they're a little wilted, I'll snatch off the little wilted parts because I don't like soggy lettuce. I like for it to be crunchy and crisp, which is why I really emphasize on this part of the lettuce because I just like it to bite into like crunchiness. But that's just me. For today's demonstration, I'm just going to eat whatever lettuce is there because I don't want to waste anything. Don't judge me, you guys. So yeah, so we have our lettuce. Now comes the fun part of actually building the best sandwich ever, okay? So I'm going to wipe off my station right here, and then I'm going to get out my bread. And then for my bread, I'm going to be using the Hawaiian, can you guys see? Okay, there we go. The Hawaiian sweet bread. I got this from Ralph's. I'm sure you can use any type of bread you choose. I know some people like rye or pumpernickel or whatever it is that you choose to buy. It's totally up to you. Some people you can actually use a hoagie, like an actual hoagie roll like they do at Subway or whatever. But I just chose to use this bread because I just wanted something different. Alright, so let's go ahead and construct the sandwich. Alright, so first I'm going to start with my mayonnaise. Like I said, I like vegan mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise you want, honestly. I mean, it's your sandwich, but I just like vegan mayonnaise for some reason. I feel like it just tastes better. So I'm going to put mayonnaise on both sides of the sandwich. Not a whole lot. You don't really need a whole lot for the sandwich. Put mayonnaise on both sides. Okay. Then after that is done, I get a little bit of mustard, just regular yellow mustard. Nothing fancy. Open the mustard. I like to do a circle and a circle. Okay. So after that, then I like to start building my sandwich. So I put my lettuce on first. Do my tomatoes. Then after that, make sure you guys can see. I feel like I'm getting out of the picture. Okay. So I do my onions. I probably should have chopped those onions up more, but you know what? It's all right. We're at home. Nobody's going to bother us. Our breath is going to be funky, but you know what? We will be at home. You know, that's all that matters. So then I like to take my original submarine dressing. Oh, make sure you guys can see that. Original submarine. I don't know if that's upside. Well, I guess, yeah. Yes, you guys can see that. Yeah. So I take my original submarine dressing, open it, and a little bit of that on there. I like to take one slice of my smoked provolone cheese. You can do more if you like, of course. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's put cheese on this side. Let's put the cheese and the meat on this side. Now, for all you guys out there that actually work at Subway and work Quiznos or Jersey Mike's, Jimmy John's, let me tell you, kudos to you, because it takes a lot of time and patience to really be a sandwich. Alright, sorry you guys, my video cut off. But like I said, kudos to any sandwich artist out there. So this is my completed sandwich. I'm going to cut it in half because that's just what I want to do. Okay. So we're going to take the one half. See that? Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Beautiful. So now we're going to pair it with some of our favorite side items, and I'll be right back. And there you guys have it. World's best sandwich. And it's paired with just regular salted potato chips. Nothing fancy. You can also swap out the potato chips for something healthier like fruit or maybe a salad, or you may not even want a side at all. Of course, I'm going to drink apple juice with mine. You can drink water, whatever. But this is my idea of the best sandwich in the world. Turkey and cheese, amplified. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. If you want more food videos, just tell me in the comment box and I'll make sure I got you. If you have any suggestions you want to see, like deviled eggs or any type of recipes, basically everyday simple recipes that people can do, just let me know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.